Today we have the 2022 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just under 34,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our map, navigation, our button settings, radio, media, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel.